So in this video we are going to clean up my very messy almirah. हफ्ते में 2 बार साफ़ करके भी मेरी अलमारी ends up looking like कबाड़ खाना, literal कबाड़ खाना. I have to just rearrange the space for that. हॉस्टल में बहुत कम स्पेस होता है. Like we are just provided with this almirah and it has a space ऊपर जिसका कोई काम है नहीं एक्चुअली, क्योंकि इसमें आप सिर्फ वही कपड़े रख सकते हो जो आपको नेक्स्ट वेदर के लिए चाहिए होते हैं. इसको मैंने 1 हफ्ते पहले साफ़ किया था एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग जस्ट लाइक मैंने 1 हफ्ते पहले जैसा गंद मचाया था उससे भी बुरा है अभी है, उससे भी बुरा लेजेंड. और मुझे कोई भी कपड़े नहीं मिलते फॉर द कॉलेज, कहीं मुझे बाहर जाना हो उसके लिए कोई भी कपड़े नहीं मिलते मुझे इस चक्कर में. तो इसको देख के आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये क्या ही काम का है, बट मैंने ओपन दिस. Don't judge my opening skills, which are really bad. And we just made a basket. Ordered 3 of them and we are going to fix it in the almirah. So I've just realized that it is a lot of mess than I thought it was, and it is getting on my nerves to clean all this stuff. और एक बात तो मैं आपको बताना भूल ही गई. आजकल मैं जो भी कुछ खा रही हूँ, लाइक जो लिटरली कुछ भी, मेरा पेट इतना ज़्यादा दुखता है कि आई एंड अप लेइंग ऑन माई बेड एंड डूइंग नथिंग फॉर द होल डे. And this is my whole story since 7 days, and I'm so scared of going to a doctor because what if that is going to happen. I know कि I get diagnosed with another fucking disease, so I'm quite scared actually. So right now I'm doing this all of सफाई so that I भटकाओ my ध्यान actually. So let's just continue. तक 2 बास्केट्स हमने फिल कर लिया. This one, this one is for the clothes that I go outside and wear, and this is the college outfit stuff. अब उस बास्केट में जाएंगे मेरे घर के कपड़े. So yeah, let's just organize it. are going to hang rest of the jeans and all the stuff ऊपर. This is how my almirah looks right now, and ये maximum clean मैं कर पाई इसको. Finally it is organized and I feel quite good इसको करने के बाद. और मेरी पेट दर्द अभी काम करते करते चली गई है. That's the good thing. और अभी maybe I'll rest. Let's see. that I am actually on a cleaning spree, so I thought maybe I should clean my fridge also because it is a dirt bag now. Let's clear it and clean it. See. So I need to change my bed sheet because I'm quite bored of it right now. और थोड़ा change of taste के लिए let's change our sheets also. Why I hate being an adult so much. Being an adult is so weird. मतलब जो काम ऐसे पहले आप जिससे मुंह मोड़ते थे, all that stuff when you do अब तो ऐसा इतना satisfaction मिलता है. मतलब मुझे सफाई करके satisfaction मिल रहा है. Like bro. Hi. So I took a nap. Not really a nap. It was like just 10 मिनट के लिए मेरी आँख बंद हुई थी मेरे पास, तो मैंने वही पहन लिया with a the bare shorts, like literally this is my workout outfit. So my health has not been really good since a long time and I'm quite irritated of it. I just thought कि मुझे workout अब दोबारा शुरू करना चाहिए. I used to work out but I just did the cardio part and never the strength training dumbbells. One of my friend gifted me dumbbells for my birthday and I think we should make the use of it. And I am thinking that मैंने पिछली किसी वीडियो में दिखाई भी है वो dumbbells. We are finally using that dumbbells. I hope ये एक last video ना हो मेरी workout करने के बाद, क्योंकि whenever I make a video of me doing the stuff that I don't use to do, like मुझे कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. I hope we are saved this time and we are going to work out. Yeah, these are the dumbbells my friend got me and they are really pretty. So yeah, that's a motivation to do workout. We are doing 12 reps of 3 sets. 3 sets of 12 reps, whatever they say, that we are going to do. And for the timer जो हम उसके बीच में rest लेंगे, that I'll be applying on my iPad. So yeah, let's just start. Well, I am already sore, so weak, my body is getting So I'm done with the workout and I have sweated quite a lot. So I'm out of the shower और I feel quite nice actually. मैंने अपनी स्किन केयर बहुत बार वीडियो में बताई हुई है, like what do I use or what I do actually to my skin. This is my bare skin right now. I haven't applied anything on my skin. So मेरी स्किन ऐसी शुरू से नहीं थी कभी. It was like this. But after some years of regularly using skincare and eating healthy, my skin has become quite nice. I do not experiment with my skincare because मेरी skin बहुत sensitive है and if I apply anything else it results in breakdown. This is actually, और मेरी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry and sensitive है, तो सारे Korean products मेरी skin पे सूट कर जाते हैं because all the Koreans have dry skin, so उनके products जितने भी होते हैं वो उसी formulation से बनाए जाते हैं. Some are there जो कि oily skin के लिए भी होते हैं, but most of them are for dry skin only. आज तो I haven't applied any makeup, but when I apply makeup I also use the oil based cleanser that is also from Face Shop. That comes toner and I have used multiple of them from the Korean brands only. एक milky toner करके आता था, I don't remember. एक Laneige का भी मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है, but it was so milky and liquidy, कि वो हर बार मुझसे वेस्ट हो जाता था. और उसके बाद आई हैव फाउंड दिस वंडर सेरामाइड rice smoothing toner. This is also from a Korean brand, Tony Moly, and this is really nice. So for easy application, because it gets too much of work to transfer it to just apply on my face, so I've just transferred into a bottle so that I can use it easily. Yeah, so we are using this. I have emptied 2 bottles before this. This is the third one. I just keep on changing the formulation. Dentalaz. I am using this one right now, but I have all 4 of them and they are so good on my skin. It absorbs nicely and they haven't done any bad to my skin. I use the Riceramide moisturizer. This is my holy grail of moisturizer. My skin becomes very dry, चाहे वो सर्दी हो या गर्मी, but this has been my constant. Last step of my skincare, I am using this eye cream. It is also from Beauty of Jason, same brand that I use sunscreen for my dark circles, because आप med student हो और आपके dark circles नहीं हो, ऐसा हो सकता है? Never. It's going to sleep right now. Maybe I'll watch something, but that's the plan. Also, I hope you like the vlog. I try to vlog at random point of the day. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं सुबह रिकॉर्ड करूँगी, but I then remembered it later कि मुझे रिकॉर्ड करना है. Plus it was a very hectic day. We have done very much of the work that I needed to in the first place. पढ़ाई आज मैंने नहीं की है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा काम था and I needed to sort the things out for the week. इसलिए वीकेंड पे काम कर लिया and now we are free. I hope you like the video, guys. I love you all. Bye.